Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today I'm gonna tell you that why some people doesn't have peace in their heart. There are two types of condition, both have the same method of solution. First condition is that a person is having anxiety because of any financial problem, family problem, exam stress, or any tension. Second condition is a person having everything and having no tension of this world, but still doesn't have peace in their heart. And that's called spiritual weakness. Spiritual weakness means your relationship with Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is weak. You would think, what's the connection of your heart with Allah Rabbul Izzah? Who can be the peace of your heart more than the one who created it? Now I'm gonna tell you the solution of the first condition I have told you. Actually what happened is you forgot Allah Azza wa Jal, but He still loved you, so He made a hardship that will make you turn to Him. If you are close to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, then it means it is a test. But if you're not close to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, like you don't pray salah, you don't do what He commands you to do, you're doing haram thing or committing sins, then it means you're being punished. If you're in a punishment, then all you have to do is come closer to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, read the Quran, learn it, read the Quran with translation, learn the tafsir, the translation, work on your akhirah, strengthen your relationship with Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, do what He says. Don't think what people would say you. They are only gonna say inna lillahi wa inna ilaihi rajiun. The people are not gonna go with you in your grave. So all you do have to do is focus on your akhirah, remember your grave, and watch Islamic scholars to know the importance of Islam is leave the haram and the sins for the sake of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. And Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala says in the Quran, verily in the remembrance of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala do heart find rest. So this is the thing, that we actually don't find peace because we are not close to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. And when we strengthen our relationship with Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, then we get the peace. When you focus on your akhirah, when you try to come close to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, He makes a way out for you, and He will inshallah make a way out for you guys also if you try to. And barakallah feekum, and I will meet you in another video. Till that time, bye.